Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw. Now today we are going to draw this kite and this flower. In last lecture we have draw this butterfly. Like this you can easily draw this tree and this star. Now let us draw this kite. For drawing this kite we have to use mirror options. You have to first create the shape. For kite we have to create only this one shape. This is right angle triangle. Okay. Now with the help of any tool you can draw the shape. Here I use now pen tool. Press the shift key, then it will draw the line. It will draw the straight line. Okay, this is one shape. Now let us give some color, then copy paste this shape and click on mirror. This is horizontal mirror. You can take vertical mirror and horizontal mirror. I take here horizontal. With the help of arrow key you can move the object, or you can directly drag the object with the help of mouse. Okay, now set this different color. But while adjusting this object, if you want to do accurately, then you have to remove the outline, then it will arrange accurately. Okay, now again copy paste this object and let us take vertical mirror to change the color. You can take it vertically. With the help of arrow key the position of object is never moved, therefore it will help to adjust the object accurately. Now let us zoom here. There should be not a gap. You can also check here, accurately place the object. Okay, after that now we want to adjust this shape, then again copy paste this and take a horizontal mirror. Now this is a horizontal mirror, and then you can also adjust it with the help of arrow key, or you can directly drag with the help of mouse. Okay, like this you can create a kite, but you have to check whether it is placed properly or not. Use the zoom tool. Now it is not proper. Like this, use here pen and you can check a whole object. With the help of scroll also you can use zoom in and zoom out. Now here you can also use help the you can also use the shape tool. Okay, now again take pen. Let us check here. Again use pen. Here if you want to arrange this properly, then use the guideline. Okay, now it will be very easy to arrange the shape. But while arranging this shape accurately, let us check the shape here. Okay, it is not accurate. Again you can use a either shape tool, or you can arrange the shape by using your own technique. Now here also you can use shape tool also. Now our shape is ready. Okay, let us zoom it. This is a accurate shape. But as we know that these are separate shape, then you have to group it. For grouping, select the whole objects and click Ctrl G, or either you can click on group options. Okay, now our shape is ready. Let us remove these guidelines. Rotate this shape. Now you can also create here a shape, because here is again like this shape. Let us create it. Again you can use either either Bezier or pen tool. Here now I use Bezier. Okay, let us fill it with color. Copy paste and take a horizontal mirror. Here also remove the outline. Check it properly. You can also send this shape back to the kite. And now with the help of freehand, let us draw the line. Write it. Okay, and always send this line behind the kite. Right click, order, send to the back of the page. Okay, like this you can create a kite. Now let us create flower. Let us create a new file. For drawing this shape of flower, you can either use ready-made shape, or you can either draw the shape by using your own logic. Here I use to draw shape with the help of Bezier. Okay, now with the help of shape tool, let us convert it. Convert to car. You can also use here shades. Suppose I use here interactive fill, and now remove the outline. Okay, for reference we have to use middle circle. With the help of this circle, we have idea how to arrange whole shape. Therefore, here also use copy paste. Suppose here I use vertical mirror. Now Again I use here paste. Let us rotate this shape. Again use copy paste and mirror, horizontal mirror, vertical mirror. Again copy paste it. Here copy paste this shape. Okay, like this you can arrange the shape. Now here also you can use freehand. You can also rotate this shape. Use here this freehand tool. Okay, then you can also create a leaves. Let us draw this line. After that use the bezier. Draw the shape of lip. Convert to curve and remove the unnecessary nodes. Like this you can create a lip. Give the green shade. You can also remove here outline, and let us create one single line within this shape, like this. Okay, you can also change the color of this line from outline color. Suppose we want shade from green color, dark shade of green color. Okay, like this you can change the line color. You can also copy paste this shape. And slightly edit the shape. Okay, like this you can create a shape. And if you want to group it, then select hold the drawing and click on either group or Ctrl G. Now here is the group is created. Like this, with the help of rotate and mirror, you can create a drawing as per your choice. In this drawing also we can use mirror object. Here also we can use mirror. Here also we can use mirror. Like this you can create a drawing. You can easily create this tree and this hut. Okay, keep practicing, then only this all concepts will get clear. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.